How to add an about information on WhatsApp on an Android device. Go to your phone menu, find WhatsApp, tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you are on the Chats tab. Tap on More Options, which is a three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. Tap on your name. Scroll down and tap your About. You can select a pre-filled About. You can also create a custom About by tapping on the pencil icon. Tap on OK to confirm it. As you can see, your About information has been added. This is how you can add an About information on WhatsApp on an Android device.